Jack and Star's adventure story. Once there was a kind man named the Jack who had a brave horse named Star. Every day they rode through the forest helping animals in need. One sunny day they found a baby rabbit trapped in a thorn bush. Jack gently freed the rabbit while Star kept watch. The rabbit was so grateful that it showed them a secret path to a beautiful meadow full of flowers and sweet berries. Jack and Star loved their new adventure spot and they visited it often, always remembering the day they helped their little friend. They lived happily ever after. The moral of the story is that kindness and helping others lead to unexpected rewards and lasting happiness.